Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great today. And for today's video, I'm going to be trying a new palette. Actually a new brand, a new palette that I've never tried before and I've heard great things, and that's by Morphe. I believe they came out also with Morphe 2. I already tried their skin tint. That video is already up. I did a wear test and everything in case you're interested. I'm going to try to link it at the end of the video. But today I want to try their eyeshadows, one of their eyeshadows and an eyeliner. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. So the palette I'm talking about is this one, Party Crasher. I believe I've seen a couple of creators here on YouTube review it and they've said good things about it and it looked great. I was curious because it's quite affordable and the colors look so pretty. Let me open it up. Originally I thought this was from Morphe 2, but it's not. It's from Morphe. I bought everything in the site and it all came together, so you could buy Morphe 2 and Morphe in the same site and get it all in the same package, which is great because the skin tint is Morphe 2, but this eyeshadow palette is from Morphe. So this is it. It brings 6 shades. Look how pretty it is. So I can't wait to try this. Plus I have an eyeliner that I want to try as well because I've never tried their eyeliners. Here are the 4 mattes. It brings 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. You can see it right here. More like a brown one, more like a lilac. Ooh, let me get my brushes ready so we can start doing an eye look. Okay, so the first shade I think I'm gonna go in with this one up here. I did my base first. I completely forgot that I like doing my eyes first when I try a new palette because I don't know if it's gonna have a lot of fallout. But I forgot and I did my base already. So there is kick up in the pan. That doesn't really bother me, but I know it bothers some people. So I thought I'll let you know. This is very light. Very, very, very light. I think I'm supposed to like pack it on better so you could actually see it. So I'm not gonna blend that much. It is a nice color. Let me go ahead and do that to the other eye. And now I'm gonna use this one, which is the darkest shade. It's like a brown, like a cool tone brown. That right over here. It's a gorgeous cool tone brown. Very pretty. I do love browns. I've always loved browns, especially when they're cool tone. I think that's why I was drawn to this palette because it's more on the cool tone side. So I'm just gonna keep this over here a little bit and keep blending it with the first shade so I don't lose the first shade. And let me do that to the other eye. Going back in with the first brush and the first shade to blend this little area over here. I'm gonna add some glitter primer right in here. I always do that so the shimmer can stay in place and pop more. I do that with everything. And I think I know which one I'm gonna use now because it's just so beautiful. I'm gonna go in with this one right here because it's so pretty. Look how gorgeous. It's like a cool tone purple. It's very pretty. Ooh, yeah, I like it. It's very sparkly. That is very, very nice. It works great with your finger. I haven't tried it with a brush, but since I have short nails now, I've just been putting my shimmers with my finger. Usually when I have long nails, I use a brush. So for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Wild Night. Put that right down here. And I think I'm gonna use the other shimmer down here as well. So I can try as many shades as possible from this palette. I'm going back with that brown. Take this halfway only. Now I'm gonna take that other shimmer shade, this one. See if it picks up well. I'm not even gonna spray it. Put this more closer to the inner part right up in here. It's like a brown sparkly, but it also has like purple to it. Now I almost forgot to try the eyeliner. I was gonna add black eyeliner, but I did buy this one. This one is from Morphe too. This is the Always Online Gel Liner, and this is in the shade Woe Indigo, so it's like a deep blue. So Morphe too does have eyeliners, and I want to try them because the only ones that I've really tried are the NYX ones, which are great, and ColourPop, they're great. So I was curious about this one. It's a nice deep blue. Let me just show you somewhere over here. That is very, very beautiful. But it's very soft. That's great. Very pigmented. It's nice. And I can see the color. I'm gonna add my mascara, finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back. So this is the final look. I am loving that. I love that purple one. Oh, it's so good. This shade right here is excellent. They both are really, it's the same like consistency and the same sparkle to it. I love it. It's gorgeous. So I added the rest of my makeup, and I gotta say that I do love this palette. This palette is so cute, and it's super affordable, which is always a plus, and I highly recommend it. It's great. The shimmers are great. The shimmers are popping, which I love, and it's very beginner friendly in my opinion. So the mattes are buildable. They look lighter than what they are, but you can build it up, so you have time to like play with it and get to the intensity that you want, which is always great as well, especially if you're a beginner. So I love this palette. The eyeliner is great so far. It's very pigmented, super creamy, smooth, and you see the color, so it has a lot of pigmentation. I have sensitive eyes and it's not irritating my eyes, so that's always a plus. So yeah, I'm gonna try more of their eyeliners because I did like this one, the blue one, and they had more, and I want to try their palettes as well. So that's it for this look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you grabbed this palette, if you like it or not, all that good stuff in the comment section. And that's it for this video. I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.